Surprised these two poles haven't
Me too. Oh, whoa, look at that. They're going for it.
Oh, they're going to try and save it?
Yeah, it's savable. Whew, that was some skill right there. Oh, I almost didn't catch that. Oh, right in the corner. Save the boat. You right there. What? Damn. That's cool. They saved it. Well, we've only seen one part, we should go see the other.
Came up in making time, huh?
Yeah. Let's go to the other side after this is done. Together.
Japan had another 6.6 earthquake or something like that.
Oh, really?
Just like about 15, 20 minutes ago. So I wonder if that means that sets off a whole nother ripple effect.
I'm sure it has to.
Where?
Poor Japan, man.
It's not going to end anytime soon.
What they went through.
I feel, last night I was watching like the, pretty sure it was live feed of when.
Right, I stayed up till 3 o'clock watching it. And then I finally went to sleep when they went, California's got the warning, and I went, okay, well now I'm going to go to sleep and get a few hours because I have to get up early.
I stayed up all night watching the thing in Hawaii.
Oh, because that's what I was wondering
about. The
about.
funny thing is, what I could find online, since my mom was sleeping out the front, I couldn't actually go out there and disturb her. They were only showing video feed from places that doesn't have anything happen, except Waikiki. I forget where it was. But,
really, on the other side?
Diamond.
And then between Kauai and Maui, there's a real tight channel, and it really went rushing.